Oh. Who's hungry? I'm hungry. Let's not forget a touch of sesame oil. Hey, let's try it. Asian-inspired meatballs with bok choy, great value homestyle, frozen meatballs. Let's take a spoon of it. Oh. Doesn't need salt. It's just a hint of salt. We put 2 tablespoons of soy. I really like that hit of sesame oil. I think we have to cut the meatball in half. Okay. Let's get the meatball. A little bit of broth. Oh, it's yummy. Would have been cleaner if I didn't put the mushrooms back in. But still pretty darn clear. Oh. Where's that meatball? Where's that meatball? Let's get that meatball with a chunk of bok choy. Ooh. Hey! That's delicious. And cutting the meatballs, you cut into the meatballs, you get cloudy too. So, you know, I'd never done consome. That was my first consome. It was pretty darn clear. I liked the idea of infusing the broth with the hamburger and the onions and the bok choy and the garlic. You know? Very nice. The meatball and a mushroom. Some broth. Hey! Thanks for joining me this
Friday.
You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. We have leftovers.